Welcome to Encryptik. Encryptik is an application which encrypts your Salesforce data. So you can choose any of your fields or objects of within the Salesforce and try to say this is my sensitive data and encrypt it as the needful. So we talked earlier about how this entire setup and how fast we can set up encryption for any object. Today we are talking about what will happen to the existing records that is not encrypted right now. We did the setup and it's all working from now, but what happens to the existing data? So to answer to that question, we are going to showcase this video of how currently, if you see on the screen, we have few accounts, and I'm going to showcase how after setup even the existing data is being taken care. So we are going to make sure this account name, phone number, website, and account number will be part of the Encryptik as a part of encryption, and try to see how that is getting impacted. So I come here to the settings, and we see that this is the account object. I'm going to do account number, as I said, account name, phone, and let's say website. So we're going to have 4 fields from the accounts that we are going to set up for encryption within the Salesforce database, and I'm going to do submit. As soon as you submit, what it does is the entire account object is being analyzed, reconciled to whatever existing configuration has been done. Accordingly, will ensure that all the records website will be kept encrypted. So this is what is going to happen. So once the entire process gets over, an email is sent to the administrator stating the number of records that has been impacted and what object has been taken care of. So this happens in the backend. It takes a little while depending on the number of records that you have. In addition to that, if you see, we also have the option that once you choose this field for encryption, not necessarily you cannot change it back. You can still remove this configuration, change the different schemes that you want to do, and then finally again you can submit it, automatically gets reconciled back. So let's see from our account homepage whether the encryption is being taken care. So if you see that, as we say, the entire records that is there is all encrypted. The existing data is being taken care and no need to worry. At the same time, tomorrow if you come back and let's say, oh, I don't need this encryption, I think the account was a wrong object, we don't want this encryption because it's being used by many places, I don't want to do that. So if you change your mind, or if you see that I want to get my data back, this is also one of the option to ensure that you get your data back. So this again gets reconciled saying that, oh, these are the fields we don't need it. So it goes back and again reconcile and get the existing clear text data back into the system. So you don't have to worry about the data. Anytime you have this Encryptik, it ensures that the backend it is being taken care. So if you see this account object here, your all data is back. The entire data what you have is all came back in a clear text format. So thank you for the session.